Now, Wave 31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Taylor Knust with 31 Triple Doppler.
Well, our snow total numbers continue to roll in Florence, here the big winner at 7 inches of snow, not too far behind Lexington and Cloverdale, around 6 inches. Over in Killen, 4.5 inches. Over to Madison County, a report of just over 3 inches of snow, perhaps a little sleet mixed in there as well. In Harvest, Muscle Shoals, 3 inches of snow reported. Northeast side of Huntsville reports 2 inches, but you get down toward Hampton Cove and it was about a ½ inch of snow when it was said and done. And we ended up with about an inch in Priceville, Guntersville, and Decatur from late Sunday into yesterday. Here's a look outside. We have clear skies this afternoon, but it's not warming us up one bit. We're really not melting much of that snow out there due to the bitter cold weather that is still in place. And we are completely dry on 31 Triple Doppler. Arctic high pressure has moved into the south, and it's going to stay put the next couple of days, keeping us quiet and also bitterly cold. Current temperatures are around the upper teens and low 20s, but you factor in that breeze and it feels like the single digits in Fort Payne, Guntersville, and Decatur at this hour. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast for Huntsville this evening, and we'll see those temperatures dip to the mid-teens by 6 o'clock. Wind chills well into the single digits at that point, and I do anticipate many of us will see wind chills below 0 later on tonight and early in the day on Wednesday. Our actual lows will be in the single digits above 0, but this is still rare territory for us in the Tennessee Valley. 3 degrees the forecast low in Huntsville, 1 in Fayetteville, Tennessee. For Muscle Shoals, 2 is the forecast low. If we get there, that would be the coldest temperature in Muscle Shoals since February 4th of 1996. If we also see a low of 2 degrees in Huntsville, it would also be the coldest temperature in the Rocket City since that date. That's, again, almost 30 years ago. So this type of cold is rare, to say the least. Wind chill warnings continue until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning for the Shoals over to Limestone and Madison counties. Wind chill advisories for the areas highlighted in light blue from Morgan County over toward Sand Mountain. Here's a look at our forecast wind chills tomorrow. It is not going to be that breezy tomorrow, but even the slightest breeze will keep the wind chills below 10 for most of the morning. Should see some improvement tomorrow, and our forecast highs are going to be in the low to mid 30s tomorrow, so we might get a little bit of melting out there tomorrow afternoon with completely sunny skies and temperatures briefly climbing above the freezing mark. A little bit better chance at melting some of that snow and ice on Thursday, with highs climbing to the low and mid 40s, 42 in Huntsville and Decatur. So here's a look at the projected snow depth looking for over the next week. There will likely still be some snow and ice on the ground even past Thursday. We may have to wait until the early to mid part of next week before most of that snow is able to melt out of North Alabama, because we are expecting highs in the 50s and 60s by the middle of next week. After a completely sunny day tomorrow, we are going to be looking at our next chance at precipitation on Thursday. It looks like for the majority of us, this will just be rain showers starting in the afternoon, continuing in the evening. It is possible we have that wintry mix up near and north of the Tennessee-Alabama state line on Thursday evening. So we'll be watching for you folks in southern middle Tennessee. For most of us, though, again, it should just be a cold rain late in the day on Thursday. We'll dry back out Friday through the weekend. Another surge of cold air coming our way with a couple of lows down near 9 degrees Friday night and Saturday night. Saturday is going to be another bitter cold day with a high of just 23, but we turn the corner to warmer days and wetter weather coming our way starting in the middle of next week.